Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Back to that credit game for the goons. You know who? Spontaneous Productions, part 2. Oh, yeah, man. And today, my goons, I got something special for you. Some very, very special sauce and gem today. Today, my goons, I am going to offer you a course. Okay, I know I was talking a lot of shit about a lot of goons from CPN courses for $2,000, $10,000. Well, check it out, my goons. Here's how we're going to do it. I got a course, everything you need to know about CPNs, everything you need to know about zombie debts, everything you need to know how to do it, step-by-step courses. Okay, I got a step-by-step course, step-by-step guidebook. As you can see, it's right here. These are all the pages. So, I'm not selling the course, my goons, okay? So, the course is not for sale. However, we are accepting donations via Cash App. So, link is in the description. Cash App. Cash App the goon to get your course. I'm not going to charge you any money. This is not a for sale product. However, it is up for anyone who's interested in it. Only thing we request is a donation. Support the channel so we can keep the credit game for the goons pumping. So, basically what's inside the package? Every single thing you need. How to get it, let's see what's in here. How do you get an EIN with a CPN? How to get an EIN with a CPN? How can you get any loan with a CPN? How to get a mortgage loan, okay, with a CPN, all this stuff if you want, How to get an auto loan with a CPN. This is new sauce for 2023. How to reassign zombie debt. Okay, and I have the forms. In there for that. How to buy any car with a CPN, even exotics and big rigs. Okay. How to create a new CPN. How to try and merge your CPN step by step. With a zombie debt. Where to buy aged and backdated primary trade lines at. How to get an apartment with the CPN. You've got how to add trade lines to a credit profile in 2023. What exactly is a CPN? And we've got top 5 ways to build credit in 2023. And we've got top 10 credit cards for excellent credit. Okay, what else we got up in here? Top 5 ways to improve your credit score. How long does it take to improve your credit score? Debt purchases and debt reassignments. Debt purchase or debt reassignment, Debt purchase and how to debt reassign it. And how to reassign zombie debt, the only true method you need. Step by step. How to reassign zombie debt trade lines the correct way. And all the information you want, my goons. It's all in here. I'll give you some gems. I'll click one of the gems for you. This is all Spontaneous Productions. All sauce, all gems. So, goons want to see what's going on, how to create a new CPN number. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see, step by step with it. Step by step. We step by step with it, my God. So there you go. Step by step. Step by step with it, man. So, what you goons want to know. UCC codes, you got the how to reassign the zombie debt. Okay, we can go into how to reassign zombie debt and every single thing, how to make money off this, how to start a business. So step 1, buy the accounts. Step 2, get your client to take over your accounts and blah, blah, blah. But as you guys can see, it's just a lot of information going on. So a lot of information going on. So I can't get too, detailed for you. I can't get in too much detail for you, my guns. And then the codes, you gotta have the codes. The codes on how to do this stuff. So, we got all the codes, UCC codes and whatnot, and how to do this stuff. And, it's all there, my dude. All this stuff is here. You know what I'm saying? It's all here, man. I got all this stuff in this package. Just information how to make money with the Zombie Debt, how to get clients and make $1 million a year business with this. So there's information on how to make $1 million business. Information on how to make $1 million business with this, my guns. So, I'm just giving you some game, how to get any loans. We got going how to get any loan with a CPN. Blah blah blah. Information is there, but it's all gems, my guns. So tap in again. I got the package, the complete guide, everything you need to know about CPN, everything you need to know about Zombie Debt, how to use it, and how to find it, how to make a CPN, use a CPN, all the ins and outs, every single thing you need to know about this stuff. Every single thing you need to know about it, my guns. I got it right here in the package, alright? So tap in. Cash App is in the description, and we're only accepting donations for this one, my guys. So, you know what to do. Stay tapped in, stay tuned in, and we're going to blast off, my guys. Straight like that. I'm always giving you gems. I'm going to keep giving you gems. Gems are going to continue. How to get an apartment, step by step, all the stuff, some gems. But, again, we got way more where this came from, my boy. So, you know what to do. You found the value in this video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Drop a donation on the Goon for the protein shake or the Lambo down payment. You know what time it is, man. Till next time, my goons. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions.